At the moment we can only do Australia and New Zealand as the, you know, struggle's real. Yo, it's LifeWyfCaityB back in the building with yet another video, guys, and thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you're new to this channel, if you're one of my LifeWyfCaityB newbies, don't forget to subscribe. There should be a little subscribe thing there or down below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with all your friends and your family, and don't forget to comment down below. Welcome to this video, guys. As y'all can see, I hit 250 subscribers about a week ago. So we've just been waiting for more people to subscribe, so you know, just in case I'm not subscribed and it goes to 249 or something. But yeah, thank you guys so much for getting me to this point. 250 subscribers is a lot of watchers, and I know some of you loyal fans, not fans, I meant fans. I know some of you guys are very loyal. My loyal fans out there have been creating multiple accounts just to subscribe to my channel and get my subs up, and I truly do appreciate it. Truly thank you guys for liking, subscribing and all that to my channel, and we thought to give you guys a giveaway. So yeah, let's skip straight to the point. I'm gonna show y'all the lamps that we're gonna be giving away for this video. So yeah. So these lamps are made by my 3 beautiful cousins on Facebook, known as Made by LA, or on Instagram Made by YAALL. So go check them out. So you guys get not only 1 lamp, you guys get 2 lamps. Just in time for Mother's Day, if you guys want to give it to your mom, your grandma, your aunties, or even for your dads and your grandpas and stuff, or maybe it's meant for your own, you know, personal decoration for your house or your room. So you want a late night study, this is what it's good for. I mean, look at the lighting, this is beautiful. Now add ×2. This lighting is really good, y'all. My mama bee. So mom came up with this awesome idea to collab with my cousins to give you guys these beautiful lamps. You guys may have seen in previous videos where my mom got me these 2 beautiful yellow lamps for my birthday, and I love them. Yeah, you guys get to see. Oh yeah, very good. Oh girl, you know you better. I love the designs, guys, and I'm going to show you guys one that my mom got for my auntie here. It's a beautiful gold and black one. So the yellow one that we just showed you guys, the one that mom got for me, sadly my cousin won't be doing that this year.
So out of those, the pictures in the montage, you pick, they'll be numbered. So you pick, say for example, you're going to pick number 1, so you pick 1, and comment down below, write 1 or type 1, and
tag LifeWyfCaityB, y'all. That was quite confusing.
Hashtag.
Yeah, my mom's better explaining than me though. So don't forget to continuously hashtag me down below. You can do it as many times as you want, up until Saturday the 4th of May 6 p.m. Eastern time.
Saturday the 4th of May 6 p.m. Eastern time.
So guys, we're going to be going live on Saturday 4th of May 6 p.m. Eastern time, so don't forget to stay tuned. Don't forget to tag as much as you want. Tag LifeWyfCaityB in every single comment that you do, and the number lamps that you guys want. Don't forget it's a pair, y'all.
Sorry to our overseas, like America and France, so sorry fams. It's just that we're still broke, you know. We're broke as, yeah. But yeah, but hopefully soon we'll be able to
ship out to, you know, other countries. So basically at the moment we can only do Australia and New Zealand as the, you know, struggle's real. But yeah, hopefully in our next giveaway we'll be able to ship out to France, America and all those places to where all our supporters, my supporters are. But yeah, we truly are. Sorry guys. We'll see you guys in the next video, which will be the giveaway. Good luck y'all. So far so good. We just want to give a huge shout out to the Tinania family for shouting me out in one of their videos. We know if it wasn't for those guys, my subscribers wouldn't have been boosted so much in the past couple of weeks. So I just want to thank you guys so much, and thank you to all the new subscribers that came from Tinania family or just from their own personal, you know. But yeah, thank you guys. Look at my mama. Okay. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and again, see y'all on Saturday the 4th of May, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Y'all better get lit in them comments. Or not. See you guys.